All right, let's see. All right, this is for Glorianne. Let's see what's in it. Here, I'll hold it beside you. Glorianne, put your bottom by me. Put your bottom over here. There you go. Now open it. Gabrielle's watching. Oh, I see princesses. What is that? Oh, look how pretty. It's Cinderella. I'm going to. Could you take your plug out? All right, let's see. Oh, look how pretty. Is that so pretty? Who is that? Who is it? I can't hear you. Who is it? Cinderella. Do you like it? Hey, look at the camera. Look at the camera and say, thank you, Granddad. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, let's open something else. Here, why don't we put it over here so we can see it and Baby can't get it till we're done opening presents, okay? There we go. All right, let's see what's next. Okay. This is to Gabrielle. Hey, Gabrielle, look at this. What's in here? Oh boy. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Here, let's turn her. Oh, Glorianne, that's sweet, but that's Gabrielle's present. Give it to Gabrielle so she can see it. Look, Gabrielle, that's for you. That's for you. All right, this is for Glorianne. Put your bottom down right there. Right there. Okay, open that one. What? Look at it. What is this? Is it a dolphin or a whale? Let's see. Beanie Baby. It is. Clipper. I think Clipper's a dolphin. What is that? Can I see? Oh, look. I bet you know who this is. Let's see if Gloria knows who this is. All right, sit down. Put your bottom right here. Point your nose this way. Oh, Gabrielle, what's wrong? Oh, look. Do you know who that is? That's from Aladdin. Is that Princess Jasmine? And look, she opens up so you can put treasure in there. Do you want to put some treasure in there? Yeah. Oh, boy. Is that so pretty and sparkling? Okay, let's get another Gabrielle. Look. Here's a Gabrielle. Here we go, Gabrielle. Look. Gabrielle, look at this. Look. Do you want to pull it? Oh. Gabrielle got one. Look at this. It's just like Glorianne's. Is that so sweet? I am. I'm opening Gabrielle's present right now. Well, I think I am. Oh, look. Gabrielle, look at this. Gabrielle, look. It's Cinderella. Do you see Cinderella? Oh. Okay.